Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandra and this is
Yajaira.
And so Yajaira's here with me today and we thought we could make a fun video. We took a little trip down to LA and we went to Little Tokyo and we bought a bunch of snacks that we wanted to try on camera. We have like a bunch. So let's get started. So what should we try? What should we go with first? Let's start with the Kit Kats. Okay, we already opened everything, but let's start with the Kit Kats. These Kit Kats, each bag was $6, so they're pretty expensive. We got these Kit Kats. They are I don't even know. This is, I think they're like cranberry with strawberry, and it has like almonds or something. Oh yeah, there's almonds. So let's try these first.
There you go.
So there's just a single one. They look like this. They look like, okay, so it looks like this. It has like little, so it's like very like luxurious. So let's try it. It's like almonds, right? And like cranberry pieces.
Tastes like that.
I wonder if Yajaira's only in this video just so she can eat everything.
You asked me.
I said, do you want to be like, yeah? But you're like, not even talking. That was good. They're not that sweet like the regular Kit Kats. Oh, really? They're not super sweet. Next one, we're going to try the matcha ones. So they're these ones, the matcha green tea. Here you go. They look like this. I think these are two. They have two in them. So that's two.
They look like wasabi Kit Kat.
Look at wasabi. Yeah. Speak louder porque si no se oye.
They look like wasabi Kit Kat.
Wow. They really taste like matcha. They taste like the green tea, iced green tea latte from Starbucks.
They do.
Going with the matcha theme, we also got these. I've tried these before, the Hello Panda little cookies, but I saw that they have the matcha ones. So I was like, I love matcha. So we have these, and I opened them. It's a little baggie. Let's just try one.
Everything is gonna taste like matcha.
Oh, the matcha. Look at the little cookie. You taste the cookie, but you can't taste the matcha. It doesn't taste like matcha like the Kit Kat, huh?
It tastes good though.
Tastes good. But it tastes different from the regular ones. Have you tried the regular ones?
Yeah.
Speak louder. Okay.
Yes.
The next thing we have here are these. I don't know what they are. I just got them.
Okay.
Look, we have this. They look like that. But they're like little egg candy. I don't know. I thought they were cute. I'm like, I need to get them. So here you go. And they look so cute. Look at these. It has like a little face. Let me see. You don't smell like egg. It smells like chocolate.
I think I inhaled chocolate.
It just tastes like chocolate.
With like barely any white chocolate.
It's like milk chocolate, like straight out like a milk chocolate. Okay. Kind of want to rinse that chocolate out of my mouth. So the next thing we're going to try is these drinks. That I was like, that looks interesting and that looks good. It's this, they're called banana flavored milk drink. And it's Korean. I think these are Korean. Oh, all of these snacks are from Little Tokyo. So I don't know if they're mixed between like Korean or Japanese snacks. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure this is like a Korean drink. We only have one, so we'll share this one. Feels like a little kid drinking like during lunch or something. Tastes like milk, banana. Like it tastes like milk with like a little bit of banana in it.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't like it. It tastes like water.
It doesn't taste like water. It tastes like milk.
It tastes like water.
I love it.
It's disgusting.
I like it.
Ew. I like this.
I love it. Okay, the next thing in here we have these apple marshmallows. They're soft, so they're like marshmallow, but it says it has the apples on them. So I don't know what they are. I know they're marshmallows. Yajaira, you have to speak. Say something. You're just here to eat. She's just here to eat.
I'm not.
They're squishy.
I can't
squishy
open
marshmallows. Hurry up.
They're so soft.
They taste like marshmallow. And they look like marshmallow. Let's...
They have something inside.
They have like...
Hungry.
It's apple. It's like an apple filling. Again. It tastes like applesauce. How it tastes like applesauce, kind of?
Like
okay,
apple pie.
we have to hurry because my camera is gonna die. The next thing in here is this. I have no idea what this is, but I saw the bag and it has like a variety of things in here, like cookies and like this jelly thing. And I was like, I want to try it. So hopefully they were good because this bag was pretty expensive. And let's try these ones. Oh, they have like something at the bottom.
That's so cute.
There's like these little, I don't know, they look like cookies.
Ew. This looks like mold.
It smells like, I don't know, like factory. I guess.
Ew. It smells. Ew. It smells gross.
They're not that bad. She's exaggerating.
They're disgusting.
I think they're like red bean.
It smells like.
I think Koreans love red bean paste. And I think that's what this is.
It smells like poop. I don't like it.
The outside is like a wafer. It's too much red bean paste for me.
Was it this at the end of the soy? The ice cream.
Yeah, it was in there.
But smell it.
Speak louder. It smells the same. Why do you whisper? Don't whisper.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. There.
Okay, and the last things we have here are these chips. So let's try this one first. They are potato chips, giza. It looks like they're like like cheese. Okay. Okay.
Mine's half broken.
They're not that bad.
They taste like Ruffles.
Yeah, they taste. That's what I was thinking. They taste like exactly like Ruffles.
I saw that coming.
But we're like, a little bit of cheese on there or something. Me falta el tapatío. Okay, last ones are these chips. It has a little frog in it. I don't know what it says. It doesn't say nothing. So let's just try it. Whoa. Tastes like soy sauce. What?
It smells like I'm thinking chamoy, but it's not chamoy.
Yep. It's like,
it tastes like cheese chips from TJ.
it says corn oil, sauce, sugar, seaweed. Yeah. That's what these little tiny things were. You know, when I saw it, I thought they were like garlic cheese puffs. I know. But though it's seaweed.
Easy. They're good. They're good though.
They're alright. Kind of weird. I like the other ones better. So, oh yeah, last thing before my camera dies. I saw these. They were like in the candy section. And it says Beauty Rose. It's like a rose. And they're candies that taste like rose, I guess. So, I wanted to try them. Oh, it smells like rose. It smells like jelly rose or something.
Those look good. They're not squishy.
I'm not squishy.
I think it's gum.
It tastes like a rose smells. Right?
It's like the macaroon with the rose.
It's like chewy.
Tastes like a rose petal.
It tastes like a rose smells. Huh. Like what you would smell a rose, that's what it tastes.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
We're tasting rose right now.
Yeah. I think rose petals are edible. I'm pretty sure they are. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you for joining us in another adventure. Hopefully you like the vlog. I think the vlog of LA is going to go before this. So I hope you enjoyed that. Come back to see me for another video. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.